Hi friends, welcome back to Gardening Escape. This is summer and last couple of weeks we are experiencing heat wave. This is getting really stressful for us and for plants too, especially roses. They are having difficulties like low nutrient uptake, burnt leaf, various pest attacks and many more. So new rosarians may get worried about how they should care roses in summer. I am going to solve all those issues. So keep watching the video till the end. The first thing is, roses need to be watered once or twice a day depending on requirement. Give them a good drench of water once every morning. Always try to do it before 8 am. If you delay it for another couple of hours, plants may suffer from heat stress. Normally, it's best to water once in the morning and another once in the evening. This will ensure adequate moisture roses will need in the root zone. Some say that watering at noon is stressful to roses. That's not how it works with roses. If they are thirsty, they will start evaporating water present inside their body, which is even worse. So without worrying, water your roses anytime as per the need of the plant. Second thing we must do in summertime is putting a 2-inch layer of mulch around the plant base. Actually, mulch is like an umbrella for the roots. When temperature is too high, it keeps roots cool and protects from drying. When roses need nutrients, it acts as a slow release fertilizer too. I have been using homemade compost as mulch around my rose plants for a long time. You can use any well-decayed compost or leaf mold or well-aged manure. They will work like magic to the roses. So for plant's sake, we shouldn't ignore this part during summer. The third, most important yet confusing thing is feeding roses in summer. Some say roses don't consume nutrient because of high temperature and some say the opposite. In between these opinions, we get confused and wonder what should we do then? Let's think practically. Roses are heavy feeders, so they will need nutrition irrespective of seasons. But requirements will vary. Like in summer, they will need balanced food in small doses. In monsoon, they will need slightly high phosphate, and in spring, they will love more potassium. NPK 19-19-19, magnesium sulfate, micronutrients, vermicompost, and diluted mustard cake fertilizer alternatively once in a week does the job for me. Result is right before you to see. Strong basil in scorching summer is such a delight, guys. The fourth thing rosarians often forget is showering their rose bushes. Burnt leaf edges, dull leaves are most common issues of summer. Showering roses daily can actually do the unthinkable. So far, any of my plants don't have a burnt leaf. Rather, they are full of coppery leaves and new growths. That's what showering does. Reduces heat stress and promotes strong new growths. I recommend showering your roses at least 2 or 3 times daily in summer with normal water. The next thing is pest management. There are 2 most common pests every rosarian will encounter in summer, thrips and mites. These pests reproduces very fast when weather is hot and dry. We can identify them easily by following some symptoms on the leaves. Thrips usually attack new growths and feed on sap. On the other hand, mites attack underside of the leaves and target chlorophyll. That's why controlling these pest attacks is so much important. For thrips, imidacloprid-based insecticide like Confider, Tatamida will work very well. And for controlling mites, Oberon, Omite works best. If we shower our plant regularly in summer, we don't have to worry about anything. Showering will wash them off. Friends, if you do these 5 things properly, roses will have a great time in summer too. Recently, we have made a video on climbing roses. Check out the description box for the link. And if you are watching our videos but haven't subscribed yet, please do it, guys. It will help us making more videos and we will grow bigger as a community. Thanks for watching. Stay fit and happy gardening.